Hello everybody, my name's Chris. I run Cumbria Leather and Glass Restoration. I've been running this company around about 6 years. I started by doing my research online to try and find a training company that was going to be able to provide me with the information, the training and the support to be able to start my own business in leather repairs. I found the leather repair company, rang Richard, had a chat with him, and we got on really well. What he explained to me was that you're not just getting a training course, you're also getting the support that you need, the help that you need, someone to call, someone to give you advice. So every job's different, and if you've got somebody that you can ring at the end of the day to help you, it's brilliant. When I did my training course, as I say, it was about 5 years ago, I turned up, you were greeted with a nice smile, a coffee, it was very informal, the training, but very hands-on. So you covered so much in the first couple of days. It was brilliant. You did feel that it gave you the confidence to go. Since then, 5 years on, I'm now running a business by myself. There's just me. I'm busy, which is good. All thanks to the help that I've received from the leather repair company and the backing. And yeah, what more can you say really? I started up 5 years ago, and now I'm where I am now, running my own business. Very happy. Can't speak highly enough of them. So yeah, if you ever get stuck, Richard always says feel free to give him a ring or a call or a text, and I'd recommend you do so. Thanks for listening. Bye.